Welcome to part 3 of Kanjipuram travel vlog. Part 3 is about 1100 years old Varadaraja Perumal temple and 110 years old Kanjikudil. Varadaraja Perumal temple, a 1100-year-old temple said to be the second largest temple in Kanjipuram after Egambaranathar temple. Varadaraja Perumal temple was built by the famous Chola king Rajaraja I in 1053 AD, a year before King Rajaraja died. Later, the temple on 23 acres was expanded by the subsequent Chola kings, including Kulatunga Chola I and Vikrama Chola. This temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. It is one of the Divyadeshams, the 108 temples of Vishnu believed to have been visited by the 12 poet saints or Alvars. It is located in a suburb of Kanjipuram known as the Vishnu Kanji, that is a home for many famous Vishnu temples. One of the greatest Hindu scholars of Vaishnava Visishtadvaita philosophy, Ramanuja is believed to have been resided in this temple. The temple, along with Egambaranathar temple, Kamakshi temple in Kanjipuram, is popularly known as Mummurthy Vasam, abode of trio, while Srirangam is referred to as Koil, meaning temple, and Tirupati as Malai, meaning hill. Among the Divyadeshams, Kanjipuram Varadaraja Perumal temple is known as Perumal Kovil. This is one of the most sacred places for Vaishnavites. The four of the Divyadeshams that completes this series is Melukote, which is known as Tirunarayanapuram. Vaishnavites believe that visiting all places without a break will guarantee one a place in Paramapadam. The temple has around 350 inscriptions from various dynasties like Chola, Pandya, Cheras, Shambhuvaraya, Hoysala and Vijayanagara, indicating various donations to the temple and also the political situation of Kanjipuram. Indra, the king of celestial deities, after getting released from the curse of goddess Saraswati, installed the silver and golden lizards who were the witness of the ordeal. Brahma performed a yajna here, which was about to be washed away by the fast-flowing river Vedavati, known today as Palar River. The temple deity Vishnu laid himself flat to stay the flow and yajna was successfully performed. Vishnu emerged with brilliance of thousand suns as Varadaraja Swami inside the Atti tree and stayed here permanently until he was submerged in nearby tank, since Lord came from yajna done by Brahma. As in this case, with the association of South Indian temples with a sacred tree, the name of the temple Attigiri is derived from Atti tree, fig tree, considered sacred to Hindus. Lord Atti Varadaraja Perumal, the original deity, made of Atti or the fig tree, and stored in an underground chamber inside the temple tank, is brought out for worship for 48 days, once every 40 years. The festival was held from July 1st to August 17 in 2019. The next festival will be held in 2059. This is the other attraction of this temple, 100-pillared hall with sculptures depicting Ramayana and Mahabharata, a masterpiece of Vijayanagara architecture. This is the temple pond where the original Varadaraja Perumal deity made up of Atti, fig tree, is stored in an underground chamber, which is called the Ananta Sarovaram. Kanjipuram is also famous for silk saris. Kanjipuram is a traditional center of silk weaving and handloom industries for producing Kanjipuram saris. The industry is worth 100 crore rupees. After visiting the famous old temples in Kanjipuram, we are now going to another interesting place. Kanji Kudil, a small hut more than 110 years old and is open to public with a nominal entry fee of 10 rupees per person. This house has a small entrance. You will get to see old equipments, vessels, furnitures, etc., which have been preserved till date.
நூற்றி 10 வருஷம் அவங்க வீடு கட்டி இந்த வீட்டில் வாழ்ந்தவர் பேர் சுப்ராயம் முதலியார். அவங்க ஒய்ஃப் ஆண்டாளம்மாள் 2 பேரும் இறந்துட்டாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு வாரிசு கிடையாது. இதை இப்போ நடத்துகிறவங்க சென்னையில் இருக்காங்க. அவங்க பேர் சந்திராதேவி. அந்த நாளில் இப்படி வாழ்ந்தாங்க அத்தை மாமா அப்படின்னு பழமையை பராமரித்து வச்சுருக்காங்க. அவர் சுப்ராயம் முதலியார் விவசாய குடும்பத்தை சேர்ந்தவர். படிச்சுட்டு பேங்க்லாம் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. அப்போ உட்காந்து அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ் மாதிரி எழுதுவாருங்க. அவர் யூஸ் பண்ண கண்ணாடி, வாட்சி, டெலிஃபோனு, லாக்கரு எல்லாம் அப்படியே வச்சுருக்காங்க.
You can also see the master's room, room for women and children, puja room, open to sky courtyards, verandas, the backyards, etc. we are completely tired, done with Kanjipuram. We could cover these many places in Kanjipuram. Now we are heading to Mahabalipuram. This is the end of this episode. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.
Here below the tusk of the elephant, one of the cat is doing meditation. Can you find the cat?